Another Benin woman don't come outside, they come there blast the Igbo people. They talk many things against the Igbos. Now come there ask, I hope that the federal government of Nigeria who rush to go and carry our sister Amaka is watching this video and make sure they trace and fight this woman as well, because this is the part of the injustice we are talking about in this country. One tribe will come outside and talk against the other tribe, then they will pursue the Igbos. But when another people do it, is not an offense. I want to play this video for you. Please watch and share.
You pull up or use electric take shoka, you don't buy. You just throw away and burn and throw away. Igbo where they buy everywhere. The rest Igbo when never buy, nobody know when they want to go buy the for South Africa or India and Singapore, because powder business not like the rest. Then they hear the shot. You know go better for Igbo people. Useless Igbo. They say na Anambra, money ritual, Imo, Ashawo, Abia, kidnapping, Enugu, fake property, Ebo Indi wa wa wa. Ebo Indi wa wa wa. Ebo Indi wa wa wa. Ebo Indi woo woo woo. Ebo Indi Ebo Indi wa wa wa. Ebo Indi fula. Ebo Indi fula ni. Fulani. Ebony people na Fulani of Igbo land. Fula man go climb up. Amara, Fula woman. Amarashi na Ebony name be that. Amarashi na Barakeleke name. Igbo don't colonize na for down and stupid. They don't British don't use Igbo language. Pwe can't give a gala man name. Ebony person can't even be proud of their name again. Carry Igbo name. Poof off. Amarashi na go. You don't go learn Anambra language. Owerri language they speak. Speak your Abakaleke. Speak your Abakaleke more here now. Speak your Abakaleke language. You go there, yeah? Never. That one a language. Aboki. That one a language. I will sweet pass. Me as a day, I want to learn Hausa language. It is sweet for my ear. I get many languages to learn. I get many languages to learn. I get many languages to learn. Hausa not too sweet. They're not supposed to use Fula. They all those Eboing. They're not supposed to use Fula. They're supposed to use one, maybe Guinea, or Gambia Eboing, or Abakaleke Gambia. That one good. Gambia Abakaleke. Yeah, that one is perfect. Gambia Abakaleke. Yep. And because carry Hausa put tag in this useless Eboing people. Hausa was sweet, language sweet. They say one language just sweet. Language sweet and perfect. For the year I go be like say you want to go learn Hausa language. I wish I can learn it right now. I love that language so much. I know people from my city where they speak and when they speak they sweet me. I just want to learn it today. I get many language to learn. I be person will be say I want to hear many language. I want to hear all. And not all language I want to hear. And this prince, see there is a motto. Hell, prince where there is sort of government city. You see there is a motto for your profile. Why Igbo men they inside motto for profile? They'll come wear black shirts, come open chest. Shit, God. That una powder business, no they tire una. Once they don't go sell powder, coming back from powder business, they'll take one short picture. They don't put her for DP. Very local people. Very local people. Very useless Igbos. Igbos are useless and stupid. I cause the day they created Igbo people. I cause the day I don't know create them or British whatever people that create them. It not go better for them. And this are useless now. They can't need to stay in prison forever. Or need to buy themselves in short. All these stupid men come here wear black shirts, always liking black shirt. They'll come open button. If you look, they are down on a tight jeans, tight trouser. Very local, with their Ibotic accent. Very arrogant, useless people. I don't like them. They don't have home training. They're not trained their way. The only Igbo way if you get a little bit home training, the one where they born for Lagos. They born them for Lagos. The one where they born for Lagos, even the one where they born for Ajegule. Ajegule is rough, rich. Igbo where they born for them still get respect. Because they see the system for them, say that they get respect or whatever. They train them where there because their mama self na still Ibotic Lagos born. They got to look, say when you are a Rome, you behave like a Roma. But the one where they are born for village, all those Anambra, Enugu, Abakele, all those one go, you ain't type, they don't grow, you ain't time moto, they don't pack on social media. Everywhere, just dirty side social media. All those gala seller, pencil seller, dustbin seller, bottle seller, they all full TikTok right now. People they pick pad, menstruation. Women go, you see menstruation finish to away pad. Igbo man go pick her. Go seller, pad sellers. They go picking go shit. Newborn baby go shit for pad. They go to one Igbo man go pick her. Very useless people. Then you guys said we should not expose you guys. We will expose Igbo to the world. Even I wish we can expose Igbo to the next. You know with their heads, the next that Mars or Jupiter, they need to hear Igbo criminality. I wish I can go there to tell the Jupiter, Mars, Mercury about useless Igbo people. I would have done it. Thank you very much for the gift. I would have done it. I have appointment later. I will have this live video soon but later. I tell Igbo people, I be say I go live on a little bit. Not be say I want live on about people. Some people made me vex before. They made me say, okay, let me just relax. When I not started giving a woro before. Now people they say I too get pepper body, blah blah blah. Let me say, okay, since they say I get pepper body, I might leave everything. But right now, my work when I work before, I've been working for so many years. My work now I don't take leave. So I might live longer. So anytime when I verse for Igbo, I feel you sit down verse for Igbo, I on live video. Afternoon on live video, if I verse for Igbo, I on live video. Night, I on verse for Igbo, I on live video. Anytime when you use less Igbo, anytime when I see Igbo person, they pass. If I enter a side boss or anywhere or I go supermarket, I see Igbo person, he head too big. If I see Igbo man head or woman head too big, once the head verse me, I come on live video. I have a lot of time for you guys right now. I be saying I want to leave number right now. I think I will not leave you people. I get a lot of time. Anytime I see your big head, I'll come disturb now. Anytime I see your powder, your pencil trouser, cause down a pencil trouser, not to the wearer for my city. Anytime I see Igbo people all the time now pencil trouser, gosh. Pencil trouser with big head. The next thing their head go just big. Shit. And they don't even know how to talk. Very, very stark literate people. They're very local, no swag. They know they use iPhone. I never see Boma get iPhone or for my city. None of them they big. They'll rent one room, pack each other for 50 people could day one room or they rent self-contained. The next thing, powders that they distribute themselves to Luxembourg, Sweden, all over the place. Shit. Just walking around. None of them even get hey, I know today I get appointment. If I come back, I see Igbo. I go supermarket also. If I see Igbo today, he get big head. I come down now. Anytime I see Igbo wear tight trouser, because this period I don't want to see now. I know the jamuna too much because I know they to the jamuna this period, but it don't be like before the jamuna. But I believe one day I don't even look to jamuna. I found her right now. And when I see una big high or big head, tiny high, your shape of head and your body shape, and I want to see una me I can't beat you now small. I said now these people they talk to us on social media, very local people. Igbo know they wear marker clothes. The women, not only the women, they able to try some more because of their baby factory and shower business and whatever. They just go Dubai, go do a shower finish, go there, do connection house, go Abu Dhabi. The next thing they will go to Turkey. They'll come fly, go Turkey, go buy clothes. They'll come move to Cyprus. And what did my friend tell me? That city where my friend tell me for Cyprus that day, I don't forget. He would tell me the money where they use because there they tell me what they do. I tell them I say computer they my head. I get a big computer. The computer large, na camera they anything you tell me start there. So I don't forget so many. The city where she tell me and the money where they use. So after that work, hey Oman, yeah, I believe I said this person know them. Blaze, they go to Oman because I think Oman is close to Dubai. In short, all the Asia country, no part where you know see Igbo woman. If you want to travel right now, just waka go Asia. They're not they call Europe because they're not they like pass that water. They fear. Just travel go any Asia country. Say you want carry a shower. Now Igbo get They say, my name is Amaka. Amaka. Igbo girl. Now let them see Sabi swag small based on their shower business. You know, based on one or two. Others want to see they wear clothes, see wear local human hair. They don't wear bone straight, but some local semi hair they wear them. But so you see the men after their money, baby factory, money, doing powder business, doing ritualists. No, they carry their money. What do they want to go do? They'll go build. I don't see Igbo man where build mansion. The next thing, 2 months he die. They bury him for the front of the house. They be no one who bury him for front of the house. The family say me they go bury him for cemetery. They be one useless Igbo man come that they say they almost poison her for Nigeria. Una for no they tell me many things. You see me side train say, body, how you take? Blah blah blah. Just you come for travel. They almost poison her in Igbo land. The next thing run for Igbo go stay Delta State. Here lost hotel. I say, because me I they follow them well. Their information in my hand is on my palm. Igbo where they poison people. They almost poison the guy because the guy get money. And my brother, you know what Igbo they do? Our local Igbo people are. They'll come Europe, the useless Igbo men. They'll come Europe, they don't walk with their powder business selling. Because none of them has open accounts before they traveled. Igbo people local way. They don't they get bank account then. So they'll come tell their brother may open bank account. So their brother will come open bank account, they put money. So as they put money, they tell their brother, say, may they collect for the money, they build that. Sometimes their brother do not build that house. Sometimes the men, after they don't build the house, the man will come travel, come reach house, come go collect your money, enter your account, come go build whatever house he like. Sometimes when Ogu, see this one say lies every Ogu buy you, if I tell you, I say that he must stay time for them for born me. I know not very well. This thing when I talk so all you go self no say not true I talk, all of them. So after they don't go Nigeria, go put their accounts. The next thing, sometimes they reach Nigeria, their brother, because of the type of money when they don't gather inside their account, their uncle will come buy them. You come buy them. You buy them, come up for road, collect the money, collect everything, because the money too big. They are part of business and everything. If you go Igbo obituary, everywhere obituary. Obituary, Igbo are so stupid, Igbo are useless. I will come for you guys later. I just want to beat on a small because of how I report is in my platform just now. I was very angry. Say, why are these Yamiri people will be baby factory children we just want to report somebody account and bring it down? My hand won't tell they say powder. Igbo hand can strong. Igbo men hand. Their hand can strong. Where code. Right now, code don't come for Igbo men. Code don't come. You know, if they can buy Jaka, Igbo men, this season, Jaka. Igbo man can buy 500 euro Jaka, even 1,000. He goes, say, my brother, this period there, now course is you. They want line up for Luxembourg. Go Luxembourg, carry camera. I also go video now. Remain small. Carry camera. Go Luxembourg. They all line up like prostitute. All of them wear black trouser, black jackets. Igbo men line up for street. Who closed the club where they Luxembourg? Not big Igbo men. Who closed that club? One of the fight. I hear. Who they fight for Luxembourg? Not Igbo people. Who buy people for Luxembourg? Those people will buy that and not bona. This way they be like animal for Luxembourg. They be like animal there. Go to Switzerland, same thing. Switzerland, they do the same. Igbo man could just line up for street. Any Igbo way pass. Do you want to buy powder? Do you want to exchange with your phone? Do you have gold? Do you have anything you want to exchange? Very useless people. Now they'll come here. If you check Igbo people now, they can get phone. And phone when they get, no, they get him. All those useless phone. Igbo person, they don't exchange powder. Phone. If you the day where Igbo man not go work. Now phone, we want gold. They don't exchange. They'll ship and go Nigeria, go say. They'll ship and I know na secret. The way I tell no now women. That's why I tell no now men. I tell them I say I grew up around you guys. I was born and brought up in Imo State. Just that my family left earlier because of our stupidity. We left when I was young. We go to Benin City, we go to our land to reside. Go to our great Edonobaji. We go back. That is why I say, Igbo, when I go collect from my aunt. Igbo, and I go collect 100 years. Igbo. And I don't know the way I take dislike on. I hate una so much. Only God know the way I take hate. I never hate people. Since when I take bomb, me no tribe, I hate Igbo. I know they hate tribe. But sure you see Igbo. Anybody you tell me say I'm Igbo. You get one day, I did say bank. I had a press phone. I just make up. One useless Igbo, you come. He say, are you Nigeria? They greet me, one bring me a shop no. Now come on, Suzuapa. Come on, get out, remove your half. You there, Chris? You there, Chris? The way I change half, you want chop no for? Me? If you see the way I take bounce in hand, you they mad? I look like who single? He said, no, I don't look, I don't say, he say, I don't tell, he say, you know, and I just want to greet you in Nigeria, all of us, I want to be one with you. They know me, I don't like you guys. I don't go to your party. I don't go to your Africa chop. I don't go to your gathering. Since why I take this syrup, I don't like you now. Una know. This crazy CJ Brown, why you go wear Fulani clothes? You guys are insult answer, but you wear Fulani cap. Very useless, man. Can't wear black. Ayana Brago wear black Congo for face. This wayward must he wear black Congo for face. Una get one eye. Useless Igbo people. This one I go say now. Once I don't get more money, they say alaji. You know say I don't get money where that is what they call themselves alaji. From alaji, una can't change to odogu. What is the meaning of odogu? Odogu una thief from Ambo people. Criminals. Una thief Aroshuku from Ibibio. Thief Amadioha from Ikwere. Wetin I never thief winter cap from British. Wetin I never thief. I don't know if the next live video one go do now winter cap now break on. Now speed put. Borrowed caution. Now visit our account. Now go watch my page. Now see now history, Igbo history now dey my page. Your brother say you should visit my account. Now your history.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Now don't see him. Now be the thing where we dey talk. Remember the time where Amaka say he go buy all the whole people where they castigate the Igbo people on social media. Nigeria, one of Nigeria Guinea where they for side the Canada. Take her up. I'm asking, where is that woman now? I hear say Amaka himself they give that woman woto on the other side, but I want this woman to find this particular person. She from Benin, and also take the same action he take in our sister Amaka. My people, this they happen for this country where we dey. I bet wanna share the video. I see the red.